state of California. We'll see some of that in Kern County here later this evening. Here's a view from Tahoe City up by Lake Tahoe. You can see the fresh layer of snow on the ground. Snow still falling there. Traffic moving very slowly. Fortunately, the impacts here in Kern County, rather, are not going to be as severe. And we'll take a look at Futurecast here and time out those impacts. You can see already dealing with heavy snow up toward the Lake Tahoe area. They're actually going to be getting done with this system fairly soon, but things are really just getting started here in Kern County. Over the next couple of hours, we're really going to start to see some of that wintry mix moving back into our mountain areas. But as we head later into the evening, 10, 11, toward midnight, that's when the bulk of the rain and the snow is going to start to move in here, the heavier precipitation. I do want to show you, though, that at midnight, our snow levels are still kind of oscillating between about 4,000 and 4,500 feet. So it's not going to be all snow at pass level originally. It's going to be kind of a wintry mix towards Highway 58 there. It's as we head after midnight that the cooler air really starts to move in. That's when our snow levels are going to drop. That's when we have a better chance of seeing some accumulation over the passes and the potential for some travel difficulties. Some very light precipitation lingering into early tomorrow morning before things start to clear up. So we're not really into the main part of this storm yet. Things are just starting here in Kern. And for the most part, they don't look to get terrible here in Kern County. So maybe a tenth to at the most a quarter of an inch for places near the foothills. Right in the foothills, we could actually see around a half an inch of rain total. And the snow totals are going to be relatively light as well. Again, a trace to 2 inches over I-5 at the Grapevine and Highway 58 as well. Areas above 4,500 feet, though, we'll see mostly snow out of this one. So a better chance to get a couple inches of snow. And then places like, Alta Sierra that are much higher up could definitely get a half a foot to a foot of fresh snow out of this system. But over the passes, hoping just the trace. If we do end up with an inch or two, we could definitely see some travel impacts. So we'll watch the roads through the night tonight and especially into early tomorrow. Wind's still a factor too. We talked about that high wind warning. That is going to be very much a factor through the night tonight. So blowing and drifting snow, especially as we head later into the night tonight. I'm showing you 3 a.m. here with those very strong wind gusts. Fortunately, those winds will die down at least a bit as we head into tomorrow afternoon. So a lot going on through the night tonight. The waves of rain and snow are expected to pass on and off through the evening. By tomorrow afternoon, though, everything is calmer. We're just dealing with some cooler conditions. As far as the 7-day forecast is concerned, not too much going on after tomorrow. And again, already by 8 a.m., pretty much done with this system. So no real concerns once we get through about sunrise tomorrow. Into the weekend, we've got a very small rain chance Saturday. I really don't think that's going to materialize into much. And we'll keep an eye on Tuesday as well. But that also isn't looking like a very good rainmaker. Mountain communities, some slight lingering showers early in the day tomorrow, again, mainly before sunrise, and those minor systems from there. But overall, we're definitely shifting into calmer weather. Just have to keep a close eye on the roads through the night tonight.